Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious ramen with a perfectly prepared egg. First, gather your ingredients. 1 package of instant ramen, about 2½ cups of water, and 1 fresh egg. It is important to have everything ready before you begin cooking, as the process moves quite quickly. Prepare your chosen toppings like sliced green onions or a dash of sesame oil now, for easy access later. Next, pour 2½ cups of water into a small saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Once the water is vigorously bubbling, carefully add the dried ramen noodles, breaking them apart slightly if they do not fit. Let the noodles cook for approximately 2 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure they separate and cook evenly. This initial boil is crucial for the noodles' texture. Now, reduce the heat to medium-low and stir in the ramen seasoning packet, mixing it thoroughly into the hot broth. Create a small, shallow well in the center of the simmering noodles and carefully crack your egg directly into this space. Be gentle to keep the yolk intact, ensuring a beautiful presentation and a delightful runny center later on. This method helps the egg poach perfectly. Allow the egg to simmer gently in the broth for about 1 minute, or until the whites are mostly set but the yolk remains soft. Do not stir too vigorously at this stage, as you want the egg to maintain its shape. After 1 minute, turn off the heat and let it rest in the hot broth for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your preferred yolk consistency. This resting period completes the cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.